Welcome and thank you for tuning in. We are still at Port Macquarie, round 3. This is heat 2. Didn't mention it in heat 1, but I'm actually running tag restricted medium this time round. The light class, the numbers were a little bit low, and I don't really like racing in low numbers. You just don't get as much benefit from it. So the medium class actually had about 10 in its class. A few dropped out, so 8 was still a really good number for me. I enjoy a medium-sized field, so I tested out the water in tag restricted medium, and I actually really enjoyed it. It was really fun. I just enjoyed handling the car, the braking of the car. Like, it just felt more my style than lights. So I think in the future I might try and stick to tag restricted medium. It all comes down to numbers in the field. If tag restricted light has more numbers, I'll just have to set the card up to run in lights. If it's more numbers in medium, I'll set the card up for medium. If the numbers are a bit even, I'll probably still stick to medium just because I liked it a bit better. People a bit more my age, I'm struggling running with the young guns in lights. I'm just getting a bit too old for them, but no, I liked the medium class. Definitely watch this heat, because this was my best heat throughout the whole day. The engine was it was on point. It was a rocket. It felt so good. Watch this heat, and then when I bring out the third heat, watch that heat straight after you watch heat 2, because the engine's just so much more different. Like, I've watched, just for data analysis, I've watched both heats. I've watched every heat finals, and the engine's it's just so off in heat 3. Like, this heat, I've got so much pace. Like, you can hear the response in the engine, but heat 3, it's just, yeah, it's really off. Good little battle the start of the heat. Got a bit frustrated with. I'd say it was a bit of an over defense, but it was still legal. Like, it was still a good defense, but just set my mind off a bit, and yeah, kind of set me off at the end of the race. But definitely watch it and definitely enjoy.